Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing another review for things that I purchased to go on my cruise to Alaska. The hangers inside the ship are the absolute worst. The clothes don't really stick to it really good either. So I purchased some foldable hangers that I saw when I was watching some other people on YouTube. They come in cute colors. They also come in just plain black, gray. This is what it looks like when you open it. And then what you do is if you want to do like for a baby or a child, you can go this far. For adults, open it this way and this way, and you have a full-size hanger. I like that it has this part right here so that your tank tops or other shirts can really get a good grip. And we can just fold that up again. And they really don't take much room in your suitcase. There's some of the other colors that came in my package. Another green one. Got beige and pink and yeah, purple. I like purple a lot. So these can just right in your suitcase, and then they just don't take up that much room, and I prefer these so much to the ones that Carnival gives you. They're just the worst. So I want to just thank you for watching my video. I appreciate your time. If you liked it at all, go ahead and leave a like. I'll go ahead and leave the link to the item in the pinned comments in case you'd like to order them also. Have a wonderful day.